a bullish move, what we are going to be expecting for the day, New Zealand dollar JPY. So as you can see on our New Zealand dollar JPY, we are in an uptrend move. Basically, on our JPY PS, actually giving us a bullish move. Reason is that JPY has literally been dropping. That is why, right? JPY has literally been selling. So this is one of the reasons why we are seeing a bullish move on GBP JPY, USD JPY, Euro JPY, Swiss franc JPY, and now our New Zealand. So markets will continue to push up. It is able to give us a new high, thereby taking out this high. So whatever you want to be doing on New Zealand dollar JPY, you want to be going for it. Now zoom it out. You can see the trend on our. We are in an uptrend. Market is very much clearly bullish. Now zoom it in back. This is the trend, right? Market is rejecting from the zone. So we had our first rejection, here comes the second rejection. So if in case market comes back, so you're most likely going to push up again. So if you are a swing trader, best right going for the buy and hold your buy position for the next 1 to 2 months because markets will rally up till it is able to take out all this icon. So above all, for the day and for the week and for the months, right, we will be expecting that dollar JPY to give us a push move.